Hello. Happy Wednesday. It's a wow Wednesday. And I got a doozy. So this is combining a couple things that I really love. First of all, it is a shared Google Sheet, which I just think is awesome when you can open something up to a wide community and people can engage with it and change it. And there's this trust that everyone is going to be working on. Oh gosh. Yeah, and that everyone's going to be kind of working on the same thing. I think that's amazing and awesome. The second part of this is, sorry, I need to move windows to make sure I can see it. It's like, this is called the Casual Archivist, and it's about like design and art, and it's organized amazingly. Like, there is endless opportunity for exploration, for learning here. Vintage teas. If this is your thing, there is a Flickr album. Who even goes to Flickr anymore? I loved Flickr. I like early 2000s. I used to just explore Flickr all the time. See the mobile phone museum. I've talked about mobile phones in the past, but like, oh my gosh, I could spend so much time. Gosh. Okay. Anyways, the Casual Archivist, absolutely worth bookmarking and taking a gander at. Enjoy. Have a good one, y'all.